Okay, after the completion of scalar product, we are dealing with product of vectors, and after the completion of scalar product, now we move to next type of product, which is vector product. Okay, in scalar product we have seen that the product of two vectors gives the output a scalar quantity, a real number, means only magnitude which has nothing to do with the direction. So it is termed as scalar product. Now in case of vector product, the final output is a vector quantity, this. Okay, first of all, theta is the angle between two vectors, vector A and vector B. Vector product of vector A and vector B is the vector quantity, mod A mod B sin theta n cap. Mod A magnitude, mod B magnitude, sin theta again having value from -1 to 1. Okay, so these three are magnitudes, but see this n cap. Okay, this n cap, what is n cap? Where n cap is unit vector perpendicular, important word, where n cap is unit vector perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Okay, now this n cap, it is joined with this magnitude part, so this complete quantity, it is a vector quantity. This complete quantity is a vector quantity in which this will be the magnitude. This will be the magnitude because n cap is a unit vector. So this will be the magnitude, and n cap unit vector, it is having direction which is perpendicular. It is having direction which is perpendicular to both the vectors, vector A and vector B. Okay. Now vector product is termed as cross product. Why? Because it is denoted by this notation, vector A cross vector B. Okay, it is denoted by this notation, vector A cross vector B. That is, you have this vector A cross vector B, this is equal to mod vector A into mod vector B into sin theta into n cap. Okay, by this we can say that this n cap, it is a unit vector along vector A cross vector B. Means this vector A cross vector B, it is a vector quantity because it is a vector product. It is a vector quantity having magnitude mod A mod B sin theta, जो मैंने आपको just अभी यहाँ पे बताया, and direction which is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B. Okay, now try to understand it very clearly. Scalar product because it is a scalar quantity. Vector product because it will be vector product. Now if it is a vector product, it should have two things. One is magnitude, other is direction. No problem with the magnitude. See this, vector A vector B sin theta, this is the magnitude. Vector A vector B sin theta, it is the magnitude, so no problem with the magnitude. What about direction? What is the direction? Now see this. Suppose you are having two vectors, this is one vector, this is other vector. These are the two vectors, you can see clearly. Little tough to explain in the video, but these are the two vectors. I have placed two markers, okay, on a flat plane. This flat plane is nothing but a mobile handset, okay, and I have placed two markers on it. Then if these two vectors are vector A and vector B, these two vectors are vector A and vector B, okay, then vector A cross B will be this. This will be vector A cross B. Now you can see this vector A cross B, it is perpendicular to both. This marker is perpendicular to both the markers. In fact, it is perpendicular to the mobile handset, which is on which the two other vectors are placed. So what we can say, vector A cross B, it is having direction which is perpendicular to vector A as well as vector B. In fact, it is perpendicular to the whole plane in which these two are present. Okay, this is all about vector product. See this, direction perpendicular to both vector A and vector B, that is perpendicular to plane containing vector A and vector B. जैसे मैंने आपको यहाँ पे बताया कि ये प्लेन है, ये एक वेक्टर है और ये दूसरा वेक्टर है. Okay, these are the two vectors placed in the plane. Okay, So this will be vector A cross B. This will be the vector A cross B. It is perpendicular to both the markers. It is perpendicular to both the markers. Okay. And in fact, it is perpendicular to the plane in which these two vectors, these two markers are placed. Okay. As far as B cross A is concerned, it will come from this side. B cross A will come from this side. Okay. A cross B goes in this way. B cross A comes in this way. Okay. This is all about vector quantity. Means direction of vector product. See here. A cross B goes in this direction और इसी direction में vector n cap आएगा, which is the unit vector, and B cross A goes in the other direction. Okay, so in all, vector product, it is a vector quantity. It is having magnitude. This is the magnitude. It is having direction, and the direction is perpendicular to both the vectors, vector A and vector B. Okay, please note it down.